しております。My name is Tomohiro Oyamada です。様の、満足度、喜んでいただけるようなお店作りをしたいなと思いますので、皆様、今日は大変楽しんで帰っていっていただきたいなと思いますので、よろしくお願いします。
Now we have more than 60 stores in Japan, also 6 stores overseas in Vietnam, Taiwan, and Korea. We'd like to increase the numbers of our overseas branches and make our fans a lot.
What you want to do is not cook it too much. Oh man. Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Making okonomiyaki. Yeah, I believe it means everything like together, right?
How you like it?
Yeah, how you like it. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a mixture of a lot of things, and you can pretty much add anything into okonomiyaki as far as I'm aware. So, I mean, this one has some ebi or shrimp. It's also got some squid in there. It looks like a lot of cabbage in there as well. Yeah, looking forward to it. I've never had it.
She said mine's the best one right
No, she
here.
said his was the best.
No, he said mine was.
See,
She said mine was
she
perfect.
didn't comment on
circle.
mine, so that means mine's perfect.
She said mine looked beautiful.
Yeah.
You got this.
I got it.
That's like a football. I don't know what that is.
Okay, alright. Okay. Once the bubbles turn a certain, color.
Yeah, it's like a pancake.
Yeah. Thank you.
Backing out. I'm doing the I don't know why. I don't think one has to be upside down. See, I'm just gonna use.
Oh, ours. Ours is nice.
Caramelization.
We got golden brown.
Yeah, we got
golden.
Looks a little dark over there. Well.